Hi, friends. Emily's mother asked her to bring the towels in off the line. Her basket can hold less than 7 towels. Mrs. Shimmy is going to underline the word less and then 7. How many towels might Emily bring in? You can give more than one answer. Show how you know your answers are right. Let's take a look here. Here's the basket, and here are the towels. So Emily has to bring less than 7. So I found the number 7, and I know that 7 and 7 are the same. They are equal. So I cannot bring in 7. I have to bring in towels that are less than 7. So I could bring in 1 towel, 2 towels, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I cannot bring in 7 because 7 is the same, and I cannot bring in 8, 9, or 10 because that would be more. So what Mrs. Shimia would like you to do now is draw some towels in the basket, but only put less than 7. So I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Okay, Mrs. Shimia drew 3 towels in the basket, and I'm going to write the number because 3 is less than 7. If you drew 1 towel, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, that's fine. Okay, friends, let's take a look here. Count the numbers 1 to 10 and use the number sequence to show how they know which number is greater than the other. And draw a circle around the number that is greater. Now, on part 2 here, we have to draw counters in the tens frames to show how they know which number is greater than the other, and draw a circle around the number that is greater. So we started with the number line, and we found the number 7, and which number was greater? 8, because 8 comes after 7. So let's look back here, number 2. We have the number 6. Let's put 6 chips in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have the number 4. Let's put 4 chips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which tens frame is greater? 6, because if you look at this tens frame, there's more chips on the top tens frame, the number 6, than 4. 6 is greater than 4. Okay, draw a picture to show how they know which number is greater than the other, and then draw a circle around the number that is greater. So here we have 6, so let's draw 6 of something. And I'm going to draw 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to draw 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just by looking, which number is greater? And the answer is 9, because you can plainly see that there are more squares next to the 9 than the 6. Okay, now we're going to move over to number 4. Draw counters in the tens frames to show how they know if the numbers are equal. Then draw a circle around both numbers if the numbers are equal. Well, 8 and 8. So let's draw the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 8 and 8 the same? Yes, they are. If you look, both tens frames have 2 blank. So let's draw a circle around both because they are equal. Okay, let's look down here at number 5. Use the number sequence to show how they know which number is less than the other numbers, and then mark an X on the number that is less. So let's find the number 9 on the number line. And here's 10. Well, which number is less? The number 9, because it comes before 10. So we're going to put an X on, oh, no, wait, it said to put an X on the number that showed less. So I'm going to erase this and put an X on the number that showed less. All right, and number 6, draw pictures to show how they know which number is less than the other number, and then mark the X on the number that's less. So let's start by drawing, and I think now I'm going to draw triangles. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here I have to, this looks so good. Now I have to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to draw a line in the middle here. So which number shows less? So if you look, there are more triangles next to the number 9 and less than 8. So I'm going to put an X on the 8. All right, again, number 7. Draw pictures to show how they know which number is less than the other number, and then mark an X on the number that is less. So 6, let's draw 6 of something. How about we draw 6 rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here I'll draw 8. I'm going to draw a line through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's take a look here. Put an X on the number that is less. Well, there are more rectangles here and less here, so I'm going to put an X on the 6. All right, let's move over to number 8. Use the number sequence to show how they know which number is less than the other number, and then mark an X on the number that shows less. So let's first of all find the number 9. Here's 9, and here's 7. So which number is less? Which comes first? 7. 7 comes before 9, so 7 is less. All right, gets a little tricky down here with number 9. Write the next two numbers that are greater than the number shown. So what two numbers come after 8? So if we start counting with the number 8, what comes next? 8, 9, 10. And we can check by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's move over to number 10. Write a number that is greater than the number on the left, but less than the number on the right. So let's think of it this way. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are three numbers that come between. 6 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 5. 6 is less than 9, 7 is less than 9, and 8. So you could use any of these numbers, 6, 7, or 8. So choose which one you want to use and write it on the line. If you chose 6, it's correct. If you chose 7, it's correct. If you chose 8, it's correct. Thank you.